Hey there, welcome to TikTok. Today I'm going to show you how you can appeal for a ban for Tinder from your PC. So what you need to do is open your preferred browser, and then on the address bar or the search bar you can type in Tinder. Then what you need to do is click on submit a request. This is a sublink to the link of the Tinder. So you're going to click on this. Now once this page load, you're gonna click on this pop-up right there, and you're gonna click on trouble with account login. Now what that does is, if you're facing a ban, you're gonna click on this, right? So if you have these issues, you're gonna go with this. So let's say our account was banned, so you see that you're gonna enter your email address, you're gonna enter your phone number, and some necessary proof or verifications. The same here too. Verifications and proof of your let's say intentions, or well, you know it, right? So whenever you fill all this form, you can hit submit, and Tinder will reach out to you in some time. If this content helps you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.